Hello and welcome to Microwave Me. Usually I like to do dangerous, explosive, flammable things, but every now and then I like to do things that are safe for you to try at home. Such as this Cadbury Creme egg, which is a surprisingly often requested item. I mean, I wouldn't have thought, because it's just a cream egg. I mean, why would people want to see a piece of candy in the microwave when you can see, say, fireworks? But I'm going to do it for you, and it should be fairly interesting. And I'm going to be doing it in Jenny, the GE dual wave microwave. Alright, now I'm going to microwave it for about a minute. Figure a minute should be enough. Now let's get started. Alright, let's examine the post product. Oh boy, did it melt down. Cock! Oh, that's hot. It's like candle wax hot. Oh my. I don't know what I was thinking. I mean, I'm supposed to be this microwave expert. I reach in with my bare hands and grab. Oh, it should be nice and ready. Oh, that's hot. Anyway, is it safe to do at home? Well, yeah, as you see, no other danger than it being kind of hot. But, of course, you just wait for it to cool down and eat it. And it should be perfectly fine, so I'm going to declare this to be safe. Besides, that's why I did it, for you to try at home yourself.